This is an HP Compaq DC5800 mid-tower unit. I've had this unit for, I guess, 9 months now, and the only thing that's kept me from refurbishing it until now is the fact that you can't use a standard case fan in this. You have to buy a proprietary HP case fan. By the way, this is a BTX form factor unit. This is the connector for the case fan that I installed in there, which isn't compatible with what's on the motherboard. This is a fan that I bought off of eBay, and it has the required proprietary connector. And I have completed the installation of the HP case fan. I have it connected to the motherboard, and now I'll test the system. Well, some time has passed since I initially opened the unit. In order to actually use the chassis fan, I had to switch the positions of the chassis fan as well as the CPU fan. So it does look like that. Does look like the chassis fan that I was sent was a good unit. However, there appears to be another problem with the computer, and I think at this point that it's a motherboard related issue, because I've already tried swapping out the CMOS battery twice, and I've rerouted the cabling from the wiring from the power button to the motherboard, and I'm still getting the same problem. So I think it's a motherboard related issue. I just looked on eBay, and the price of a new replacement motherboard is not that much less. Not that much less than what a refurbished DC5800 sells for on eBay or anywhere else, and that probably means that actually buying a recertified motherboard, or I guess a refurbished motherboard from a more reputable source, would probably cost much more than this unit is worth at this point, and there's no guarantee that that would actually fix the problem. So this unit is probably going to go to the scrapyard at some point. I guess that'll be all for this video. Goodbye.